We are pleased to show you the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, navigation system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.